Wow!
Uy,
Gymnastics? Gymnastics. Tama ko is my pronounce right?
Gymnastic.
Gymnastic.
Kanang mag-alala ba? Sa'yo ginana.
Hello, Nick! How are you and your pretty kids? Hello, Nick!
Hoy, magsayaw daw.
Nobody, are you still there? Hello, Nick! Hello? Guys, I can entertain you. No.
Ako ba? Ako lasat.
Nobody. Are you from USA?
Yes, Tennessee. Franco.
Oh, Tennessee. Bro, stop. Bro, stop. Let me go.
Victoria ni Kiat saja.
Nobody, do you like to travel? Yeah, can comment to you now.
Hoy, atong viewers 05 na lang. Go, 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 go. Ala si Lucky.
Hoy, mahulog na akong kamera.
Nobody.
Pagilis lagi dito long.
Hey, Lucky.
Dalan taman yung karon dahil tamang pulo oy.
Lucky, Lucky. No.
You're from California? Nice. That's a nice country. Is it a country, bro? Is it a country?
Pagilis ya.
Hoy, ayaw pagkuhan.
Nobody.
Ay, pakita kay wala si Mama.
No. Nobody. We'll be right back.
Yes, I'm still. Do you have yes?
Because YouTube will ban our account if we show our face without our mom. Hey, she's a mom.
Uy, luoy kay sila.
Nobody.
Ni Gundi.
Nobody? Are you still there? Nobody.
Uy, Facebook ng camera ni Mama. Ano sila
Oh.
sa'yo?
Oh, English. Nobody, are you still there? Are you traveling?
Pagilis dito long. Pabalikan ko kang sulti ha.
That's it, arranged by mama. Bro, stop. Bro, you should
Ayaw sige, bro. Dira, di mo ko lalaki. Reconnect 10 year live.
Hello, Janeline.
Magandang gabi.
Hello, Janeline. We English here, Janeline.
Hala, nobody. Nag-angsa.
Nobody, do you travel?
Oh my goodness.
Abre itong Puntahan Victoria Big ang binang pipe dia nga orange. Ang binang bunal dia.
We live in Philippines. Ma, parang Davao State, ma.
Davao.
We live in Philippines, Davao. Davao City, Turil.
Palungan ang suga sa gawas. Palungan ito yung suga sa gawas.
Uy, makitaan si Julo nag-ilis.
Bro,
Makitaan si Julo mag-ilis.
That's censored.
Wala na ako gitaan si Julo.
Censored.
Di ka nakabok? Palungan ang suga sa gawas ha.
Uy, tabon! No, don't look. I'm to be alive.
Yeah, because Philippines is a small country and China's gonna attack us.
Uy,
So
di ko na ko dapat.
China forgot the Battle of Yultong. China's dead if they attack us.
Kitaan ko. Hala, gikaboy na mo. Uy! Ikaw ba? Kiata ni mong bata ka eh.
What is state?
Dara.
Wala.
Oh, we don't have a stick in Philippines. Bye, nobodies. Bye. Bye.
Bye, nobody!
Yeah, we can chat.
Nice to meet you!
We'll entertain you guys. We'll entertain you.
Lucky. My
Bye,